Well, hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm going to show you guys how I make a mean, wicked macaroni fruit salad Jamaican style. Alright, so if you want me to show you how me wig up this chicken in my kitchen, come on and let's do this.
Cause it's the Indian.
Alright, the first thing you're going to need is your fruit. Now this is a fruit cocktail and it is in the can. You can also purchase this in the frozen section in the supermarket. Alright, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now if you have granulated sugar you could use it, but I prefer to use brown sugar in mine. You're going to need paprika, you're going to need salt, you're going to need mayo, you're going to need spaghetti. If you have elbow macaroni, wheat macaroni, any kind of macaroni you can find, right? In your pantry, you use it. Me, I'm going to use spaghetti macaroni in a mine. Alright? Definitely going to need some raisins. So come on, let's put all this thing together. So here we go, guys. Make sure that you have a pot of hot boiling water. Before you put your macaroni or your spaghetti or whatever you're going to put in the pot, you make sure see your water hot. You also want to make sure you add some salt. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt in here. And now I'm going to put my macaroni. So I have 1 pound of macaroni. I'm just going to break it up in 4. I'm going to let it boil for probably about 25 minutes. 20 to 25 minutes because I don't want to cook too soft. We'll see it back here and then we're going to mix up all this together. So see you back in 25 minutes. So okay guys, my macaroni cooked for 25 minutes. You have to make sure after it's cooked, you drain off that hot water and you rinse it immediately with cold water, okay, to stop the process from cooking. And then you let it sit for about 5 minutes before you start adding the ingredients. After you do that, you go ahead and you put your canned fruits in. You're going to put your 2 tablespoons of brown sugar in. And then you're going to put 3 tablespoons of mayo. Alright, so that's 1, 2, and 3. Then you want to add your raisins. You can add just about any amount of raisins you want in it. I'm going to put about 2 handful of raisins. So that's 1, 2. And this is nice for the holiday, for Christmas. Then you're going to add just a little pinch of paprika and you're just going to stir and just fold everything in. Now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this on a plate and then let you guys see what it looks like, okay? So I will see you back in 2 minutes. So there you go guys, it's already macaroni fruit salad in my kitchen. Turn up any time of the year, especially for Christmas. Go ahead and try it, subscribe and like. Let me guys know how you like it and what you want to see me cook next. So once again guys, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!
Just like a cocoon, girl, I wanna wrap you up. Don't wanna let you go, girl, I wanna keep it up. And if distance separates